Hey guys, today we have the 45-degree sled leg press. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different where we fatigue the muscle out, the quads especially, and we're going to be doing 7 sets, okay? 7 sets of 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, and 5 reps. Okay, so I have 2 plates on each side for a total of 180 pounds. My goal is to bring my knees all the way into my chest for a full range of motion, pause slightly at the bottom, but not necessarily hanging out there, and pressing back up without locking the knees out. I'm going to speed this up for you so that you can get an idea of how to do all 7 sets, and you're only going to rest 30 seconds in between. A normal rest period is anywhere between 60 to 180 seconds. This is going to be cut in half to almost minimal before you put your feet back onto the platform and lower your legs back into your chest. Biggest thing to focus on, besides tempo and not locking your knees out, is to make sure that you're doing a weight load where you can keep your knees from buckling so they go straight up and straight back. Oftentimes, when a muscle group is weaker, you will find that the quads will give out in a way where the knees cave in. So try to keep your knees from caving in. And if you need to, rest, pause if the weight becomes too much. Here we go. Set 3. Here on set 3, I'm going to show you how to unlock the weight. When you press up, you're going to push the safety bars out to the side so that the weight can come down. When you're ready to rack the weight, you'll push the weight all the way up to the top, pull those in, and relax. Another key thing is to keep your back to the pad throughout. Don't let it arch off when you're trying to get the weight up and it's becoming difficult. And then your feet placement, depending on if you're trying to focus on glutes or quads, you want to have your feet either shoulder width or much wider, sometimes even together and much closer. That's going to target different areas of the leg, as well as if your foot placement is low or high on the platform. For quads, I am aiming for probably the upper portion, if you were to call it that, of the platform, just about above the middle, and then shoulder width apart so that I can get the total range of motion for the quad, kind of getting everything at once. If I wanted to do more of a teardrop, I might bring my feet closer together or with my toes pointed out more. But here I have them straight ahead, shoulder width apart, and about the upper portion of the platform.